Hello friends, we will watch in this video Sony IV300 home theater. Its unboxing, placement on the wall and different sound setting. It's a 1000 watt. Now you can see I have opened the box. In box you will see the placement like this. It's a very much tightly sealed. Once you will open this you will find one main device is the media player for the IV300, instruction manual, HDMI cable, remote control, a pair of battery, woofer and different satellite speakers with enough wire. So these satellite speakers are very beautiful, very glossy and the finishing. So when you are placing on your wall, it will it will give you a good look, a beautiful look. It's not going to look like odd because of this design and look and feel. So Sony has already provided enough wire with each satellite speaker. I suggest not to add additional wire, otherwise it will hamper the performance because they have tested this wire very much well and thorough round of testing already done with this length. So don't put any additional wire. These wires are more than enough. Okay, I have